Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best callus remover is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone seeking smooth, healthy feet without the hassle and expensive salon visits, offering a convenient and effective way to tackle stubborn calluses and dry skin right from the comfort of your home, transforming rough heels into soft, touchable soles with minimal effort and maximum satisfaction, making it a game changer for foot care routines. Number 5. Rechargeable Electric Foot Callus Remover Kit. Transform your foot care routine with this advanced electric callus remover. Its powerful yet gentle action quickly buffs away rough skin, revealing beautifully smooth feet. Experience salon-quality results without leaving your house. This electronic foot file provides a professional touch, making your feet feel pampered and soft. Enjoy the ultimate convenience with its rechargeable and portable design. Take it anywhere for quick touch-ups or a full foot treatment, ensuring your feet are always ready. Designed to effectively remove dead, hard, and cracked dry skin. It works wonders on stubborn calluses, leaving your feet feeling revitalized and healthy. This comprehensive kit is your all-in-one solution for beautiful feet. It provides everything needed for professional-level pedi care, right at your fingertips. Despite its power, it's incredibly gentle on your skin. It ensures a comfortable experience while delivering impressive results, making foot care a breeze. What we like? This first option is all about convenience and portability. It's designed to be easily rechargeable and taken anywhere you need it. If you're always on the go or prefer to do your pedicures away from home, this portable kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Own Harmony Electric Callus Remover CR900. Tired of rough, cracked heels? This powerful electronic foot file is designed to transform your feet, leaving them incredibly soft and smooth. Experience salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. It has been rigorously tested as the most powerful solution for tackling even the toughest skin. Equipped with 3 specialized rollers, it provides a comprehensive and professional pedicure experience. Each roller is crafted for optimal exfoliation and care. Forget about constantly buying batteries. This device is fully rechargeable, offering cordless convenience for effortless use anytime, anywhere. Finally achieve the beautiful feet you deserve. It effectively removes hard skin and calluses, revealing healthier, happier feet. What we like? Moving on, this model boasts being tested most powerful and comes with 3 different rollers. It's built for serious callus removal, tackling even the toughest skin. If you have very stubborn calluses or need a professional-grade performance at home, this powerful device is your best bet. What people say. Number 3. Electric Foot Callus Remover. Say goodbye to rough, dry skin. This innovative device effortlessly removes calluses, revealing softer, healthier feet. Designed for your lifestyle, it's fully rechargeable and portable. Enjoy professional-grade foot care anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of cords. Its waterproof construction allows for safe and easy use in the shower or bath. Cleaning is also a breeze, ensuring hygiene and longevity. Experience salon-quality pedicures at home. This kit includes professional tools and 3 different rollers to tackle various skin types effectively. It gently and effectively buffs away dead skin, leaving your feet feeling refreshed and revitalized. Achieve smooth, touchable skin with minimal effort. Looking for a thoughtful present? This foot care solution makes an ideal gift for anyone who values comfort and well-being. What we like? Next up, we have a fantastic waterproof option that's also highly portable. Its waterproof design allows for use in the shower or bath, making cleanup a breeze. If you appreciate the flexibility of wet or dry use and are looking for an ideal gift for a loved one, this one stands out. What people say. Number 2. HayZBao Electric Foot Callus Remover. Tired of rough, calloused feet? Discover the secret to salon-quality pedicures right at home. This innovative tool will transform your foot care routine. Say goodbye to manual scrubbing. Its powerful electric motor gently yet effectively removes dead skin, making your feet feel incredibly soft and smooth. Equipped with 60 disposable sandpaper discs, it ensures a fresh, hygienic experience every time. Achieve professional results without the salon price tag. Designed to tackle even the toughest calluses, it buffs away dead skin with ease. Enjoy visibly softer, healthier-looking feet after just one use. This professional-grade pedicure tool is your ultimate solution for maintaining beautiful feet. It's easy to use and delivers consistent, impressive results. What we like. This unique model features 60 replaceable sandpaper discs, ensuring a fresh and hygienic surface every time. This system provides a consistent and professional finish without cross-contamination. If you prioritize hygiene and a fresh abrasive surface for each use, this disc-based remover is perfect. What people say. The electric foot callus remover effectively smooths rough skin. It offers multiple speed settings for personalized exfoliation. Number 1. Ravifun Electric Foot File Callus Remover. Say goodbye to stubborn calluses and dry skin. This professional tool is designed to give you smooth, beautiful feet effortlessly. It effectively removes dead, dry, cracked, and hard skin. Experience salon-quality pedicure results right at home. Equipped with 60 replaceable sandpaper discs, it ensures a fresh and hygienic experience every time. Simply attach a new disc for each use. With its adjustable speed control, you can tailor the intensity to your comfort level. Achieve perfect results, whether you need gentle care or powerful exfoliation. Designed for both men and women, this versatile pedicure tool is perfect for anyone seeking smoother, healthier-looking feet. It's your ultimate solution for foot care. What we like. Finally, this last product combines the benefits of 60 sandpaper discs with adjustable speed control. This allows you to customize the intensity for different areas and skin types. If you need precise control over your exfoliation and appreciate a versatile tool for various foot conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. The device effectively removes calluses, leaving feet smooth. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable and easy to hold during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.